Hello guys, welcome back. So this round, we will be doing an earnings highlights on C Limited. I'm pretty sure a lot of you could have owned this stock because it was a very popular stock last time. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's get started with the company news. So we all know, C Limited last time because it went down pretty badly, in the year 2022, that around that year. Yeah, but until today, year to date, C Limited is actually undergoing a remarkable business recovery. Hence, that's why you can see, year to date, C Limited has already grown, 194% this year. All right. So let's go through their latest financial results. Okay. So their latest financial results, you can see the revenue, currently has grown by 30%, which is now 4.3 billion. Gross profit grew 29% at 1.9 billion. Okay, and they are now already profitable. Okay, that means positive. Okay, net profit positive right now. And then currently, you can see already C Limited is now back to high growth. Yeah, because you can see their e-commerce side. Okay, the e-commerce revenue grew by 42% here. And then their C money, which is the financial side of the business, you can see their loans, the loans, the one that they are lending out is increased by an incredible 73%. Okay, moving forward, C money will be a great revenue contributor towards the business, which will overtake, their digital entertainment business, which is Garena in the future. Okay, well, Garena not bad. Okay, grow by 24%. All right, got 24% year over year. But it's compared quarter on quarter, it's only at 3.7%. Okay, not so good lah. Yeah. Okay. Then let's go through overall. Yeah, overall. So the revenue, like I said, 4.3 billion, gross profit at 1.9, continuously increased if compared to last year. Yeah. Operating income, already profitable. You can see that. Okay, last year was making losses, now the operating income already profit, net income also profit already, this company. So C Limited is actually now a profitable company. Yeah. Okay, so now let's zoom deeper, onto the business. Okay, so let's cover the e-commerce side. Now, e-commerce doing also very well. Yeah. The gross orders, increased, by 24%, from 2.2 to 2.8 billion. Okay. Then their gross merchandise value, which means the total value of the things they are sold in the platform, right, grew by 25%. Okay, which is very good. Yeah, it shows that more people are selling things, in their platform. Okay, so in terms of revenue, I already mentioned just now that gap revenue is around 3.2 billion. Okay, this business. But the one thing I want you guys to take note, right? Okay, is the take rate. In short, is the commission Shopee takes lah. Okay, for any transaction there. As we can see, Shopee every single quarter here, right? Their take rate has been increasing. All right, that have been increasing. So the more commission they take, the higher the revenue. But the good thing is you can see, despite them, increasing their take rate, their gross merchandise value, you can see here, keep on growing. This is the gross merchandise value. Okay, keep on growing. So that means people are actually not leaving, right? Not leaving the platform. Yeah. Okay. Now go to the digital financial services, which is C Money. Okay. Now, in order to see how good, that the business is, we look at their loans principal outstanding. Now, in our words, this means how much are they giving out the loan? Okay, how much they are giving out. So currently, right now, including consumers and SME loans, is at 4.6 billion US dollars. Okay, which is a huge increase as compared to last year. It's a 73% increase, so it's the more loans they loan out, then the more they can charge interest and the more revenue it is. Okay, now, then some of you may be very concerned about the non-performing loan, right? Now, the non-performing loan has been very good. Okay, for the past 1 year, you can see the non-performing loan is a very low digit, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4, then drop to 1.3 and then 1.2. So it's a very good improvement, on their side. And what else? Yeah. So for the C Money, the revenue contribution is now 615 million, which is a 38% increase, against last year. You can see, that has been growing every single quarter, and now there's a huge jump on the latest quarter. So you can see the business getting better this round. Okay. Now let's go to the digital entertainment side. Now the digital entertainment side is also okay, but not as high growth as the e-commerce and the C Money. Yeah, you can see now, the number of bookings here is around 556. All right, 556 million here. Okay, and then the gap revenue is around 497 million. Okay, and the EBITDA is around this amount. Okay, so it's not a really huge, changes. Okay, from their previous quarter here. Okay, so there's nothing much to comment about it lah. Okay, so overall, the one thing that we want to look at in C Limited is the income statement. Okay, and let's look at the revenue. You can see the revenue here from last year, okay, until now, you can see there's a sudden re-acceleration of the revenue, especially this quarter is a huge jump. So it shows that the business, whatever they have done previous year, okay, is now bearing fruit. Okay, it's getting better. The business are continue to grow already. Yeah, so you can see from December 2023 until today, you can see there's a re-acceleration. Until this quarter is a 30% growth for this company. Okay, so now this is overall the updates on C Limited. Okay, I will go through the earnings call also later. But this video here for you guys, okay, for you who watch my video on YouTube, I want to do a bit something different. Okay, because sometimes you all watch not only to get information on stocks, but it's also to once a while I will sharing our strategies, how to invest, okay, as a better investor. So this round I would like to share with you, okay, how we identified C Limited as an opportunity last year. Okay, so we want you guys to also discover how we identify opportunities so you also can identify opportunities for yourself in this current bull market. All right, so let's get started lah. Okay, so last year, all right, on November 15, 2023, which is exactly 1 year ago, C Limited's price crashed 22%. And there's a lot of news lah. Okay, I picked Bloomberg, okay, one of the most established one. They say plunges because of unexpected loss. Okay, they use the word unexpected loss. Okay, I highlight this word here. And they say e-commerce growth is slowing down. And what's the reason? Macroeconomic hurdles. You see, the moment we read all of this title here, I know, there's a lot of misconception, okay, on their business already. And this is when I want to show you guys how we analyze, how we see, a business and identify opportunities. So at the time when the price was crashed 32%, we did a quick update to our private BIA community. Okay, you can see this is the Zoom recording. Okay, you can see the date here, 2023, okay, on November 15. Immediately, all right, we go and have a session and explain it to our members, okay, what really happened. We also did a public session in our Telegram group, okay, on 5th of December 2023 that time. Okay, yeah, we did that. And since then, okay, we are very proud to tell you, okay, you can see 5th December 2023, okay, until today, it was a 195% increase since then because it was crashing at that time, you remember it's around 35, 38. Yeah, so at that time when we go and research until today, okay, we cover the stock since then until today, it's a 995% return. Okay, and that is why, guys, okay, I want to tell you, as usual, BIA, we have a community, we have been guiding our investors, right? So some of them, okay, keep on a lot. Okay, I don't know why. A lot of them, like to invest in Baba. But in our view, we don't see any potential or turnaround, okay, in Baba. So I will leave, Baba stock, Alibaba in another video, of course. Okay, in short, if they really like e-commerce companies, either you pick Shopify, okay, or you go and pick Mercado Libre, okay, or even C Limited. Right, but of course we do cover Shopify and C Limited in our community lah. Okay, so good news, of course. Okay, some of our members, okay, of course, there are other stocks that contributed to their returns. Okay, so you can see this member here, they have a 50% return year to date. Okay, this one 66% return after 1 year. Then this one 125% return year to date, 87% return since inception. And of course, 74% return year to date. These are our BIA members' result until this year. Okay, these are the stocks that we discovered, all the good ones, and then they invest. Okay, some of the portfolio, of course, has been contributed, okay, by C Limited because they bought at a low price, and now, okay, they harvest the efforts, okay, their results. Okay, yeah. So let's get started. So at the time, Q3 2023, okay, the market was very fearful. Okay, so at the time, this is our research journal. In BIA, when we cover a company, we document all of our research, all of our information, okay, into this document. So at the time, Q3 2023, when the price dropped, market was really very fearful. Headlines very scary, slowing growth, swing back to losses. But let me tell you this, we see other things. All right, this one I want to show you how we take a look. So at that time in Q3 2023, yes, revenue slowed down to 4.5%. Crazy, only grow 4.5%, 4.9%, sorry. Okay. Then not only that, profitability. Previously, you were profitable. Okay. Then suddenly you jump back to losses. This is the one where the whole market again got fearful. And the media take advantage of it, saying that this company lose money. Okay. But let me tell you this. This is what we found out. We dig out their earnings report. And we found out, okay, why, okay, the revenue slowed down and why they swing back to losses. And this is what we want to share it with you guys. So at that time, okay, let me tell you this. SE was actually lowering the fees for their delivery logistics. Now you see, our platform logistics cost, okay, per order for our Asia market decreased by 17% year-on-year in the third quarter. And the decrease in this logistics cost contributed to the decline in their services revenue. Because Shopee, also do delivery services. But if you lowering the fees, that means they also lower the revenue also already. So that's why this affected the revenue, okay, their revenue from the logistics side. Okay, now, this is the reason why. You must understand why they do this. You see, we believe this to be an example of scale economic share where we drive down logistic costs, okay, with scale, and then pass the benefit of reduced shipping costs to our sellers and buyers. This business model also serves to strengthen the competitive mode of our platform. You see, the idea right now is to improve customer experience and gain market share. Right? Because there are new competitors coming in. Lazada lah, TikTok lah, Temu lah at that time, right? All coming in and they say they are taking market share. So that's why, the stock, SE stock was really beaten down badly, right? So what the management did was, currently right now, you want to get market share. I lower the delivery cost. If I lower the delivery cost, okay, other competitors will have to do the same also. But the thing is, SE has the cash. They have a lot of money. They can do that. All right. And then not only that, they will improve customer experience. If customers will stay there, or then customers will come from another platform. Okay, the goal right now is to gain market share. So that's why we need to understand the reasons, okay, for the strategy here. So Forrest Lee has clearly explained to us, okay, why he does that. Okay, our strategy for e-commerce, okay, of course, is to maximize long-term profitability. Okay, because when the company goes profit, then our shareholder will get the returns. He knew that perfectly. But the thing is this, if you want me to maximize long-term profitability, I must first have a strong market share first. That is the most important thing. So because of this, right, to achieve this long-term objective, we have to do three things. Either grow, be profitable, or take market share. So in certain situations, I have to focus one or the other. All right, so that's why they say as business conditions change, sometimes rapidly, we need to decide which factor to prioritize. So for this quarter, Forrest Lee decided, okay, to temporarily forgo profits first. Okay, then focus a lot on growth and take market share. This is his strategy currently right now. Okay, because SC right now have enough cash. They have enough cash. You see, our move to self-sufficiency and profitability has significantly improved our cash reserve and operational efficiency. So when they have enough cash already, right? Okay, this is a strong position to pursue more competitive and growth-focused strategies already. And now because of this, he decided to lower the shipping costs. When lower shipping costs, things are cheaper, people will use the platform. And secondly, the entrance of new players has intensified competition. Competition may accelerate market share consolidation. Okay, let's see who are the one taking the market share. But once it stabilizes already, then it will have a sustainable profit. So what the management now do is they were investing in market share gain. Okay, they want to take market share, which will position them in even stronger market leadership. They were doing that during Q3 2023 last year, November, December, that time. Okay, so they are now investing to get market share right now, profits later. Now you all know why already. Why? Okay, there is a slowdown in the revenue. Okay, and also now suddenly become losses. Slowdown in revenue, we know that already because the company apparently reduced shipping costs by 17%, and they pass this benefit down to the users. Give them a better customer experience. It's okay. They want to grab market share, get a lot of people use their platform first. Right? So this is the reason why there is a lower growth. Right? And not only that, you can see why the operating profit here suddenly dropped become negative. And then the whole news, like you saw the Bloomberg news just now, making losses because of what? Because of macroeconomics, because of competition. No, this is self-induced. You can see the S&M, the sales and marketing here, suddenly grow by 27% increase. A percentage of the revenue. Okay, previously it was around 25, 13, 15. That's when they were profitable. Then suddenly this quarter they decided to ramp up sales and marketing. Okay, become 27.7% out of their revenue. This is the one that contributed to the losses here. And let me tell you this is self-induced. It's not that they fight, they lost money and stuff. No, it's not. Okay, this is due to the large increase, okay, because they want to retain and increase market share. So that's why we say already, okay, that this one, okay, sorry, which one I want to tell you guys again? This one, sorry. You see, the profitability prospect of C Limited at that time, we know that the company can turn profitable anytime one because they can just switch off the marketing here, then they can instantly be profitable already one. Now, but we want them to take market share first. Okay, we are in line with the management and we believe in their strategy. So we don't expect any near-term profitability yet, as SE is still fighting to dominate the market and has not stabilized. So the moment we see that, we know already, okay, the whole market was looking at the wrong thing, wrong angle on C Limited. And at that time, what we saw is opportunity. All right. Okay, so that's why, okay, the investment in logistics, okay, if you still remember this one, okay, all of the one I mentioned to you guys, fast forward to this time, Q3 2024, investment in logistics now bears fruit already. Okay, so price competitiveness continue to be a key value proposition because of the investments they have made in the logistics side, in the experience side, So now, price competitiveness is their value proposition to bring in Shopee users. Okay, it's now become anchor already, and they already have a lot of mind share among buyers. You can see, Shopee received the highest score among e-commerce platforms for good product prices, okay, in our Asia market and Brazil. So now, okay, they are 1 year ago, their investment, now they get to reap the benefit right now. Okay, our buyers are happy with the cost savings we pass to them and the better customer service that we are able to provide. That's why. Okay, so that's why you can see here, this title, very, very wrong. Okay, unexpected loss. No, it's expected. The management expected it. They knew already. They were investing in the business. It's not that they competition, that's why they lose money. So these kind of headlines make you fearful. Okay, make you look at the wrong things. Okay, and then e-commerce growth slowing down. All right, they say because of macroeconomic. No, it's not. Okay, it's because they lower the shipping cost and then the revenue from that side lower. That's why the revenue low. All right. So now you know these things already. That's why when we get to see opportunity when the market see risk. All right. So not only that, guys, we also follow other data to predict SE's performance. Okay, like in Q3 2023 last year, okay, we follow a lot of web traffic data. Okay, let me show you this. At that time, a lot of people saying C Limited lost market share. They lost, there's a lot of competition. Lazada, TikTok lah, then Temu lah, a lot of these news coming in. But we look at the data at that time last year, okay, which was around here, right? October, November, December here. You can see that the market share, monthly total web traffic at that time was keep on increasing, even until today, the monthly web traffic was increasing. Right? Indonesia web traffic, you can see from here, November, December. Okay, then after that, this year, keep on increasing. Okay, Thailand also increased, and Singapore, okay, and then Brazil also increased. Malaysia, too bad, dropped a little bit lah. Okay, yeah. So overall, we can see here, monthly total web traffic when we add together, they are increasing, which means more and more people are actually going to Shopee. There's no losing market share, is what they claim. Yeah, this is the thing we saw it, and then we not only that, we also follow the monthly ranking of the app. So one, of course, is when they are number one. So they always conquer between number one and number two. So this is the line here is on the average within the web traffic, App Store, and Google Store. So they were between, always between 1 and 2 on average one. So it shows that they are not losing out to competition because they remain the number one app across these platforms. Okay. Then not only that, this is another bearish, or argument for C Limited. Alibaba pumps this 600 million into Lazada. So it means now Lazada can now compete with Shopee already. It may seem very fearful or a lot of money. Guys, let me tell you this. Alibaba has been injecting capital to Lazada since many years ago, guys. Okay, not only now. You can see since 2016, okay, the red color is the total. The red color is the total. They have been pumping money every single year. Okay, let me tell you this, we are not afraid this kind of headline because we've been following C Limited for so long already. We know what really happening. Guys, you see, we pay money to get data on this platform. You can see, Shopee is this line, the dark blue color. You want to know where is Lazada? Lazada is here, the green color one. This is the monthly web traffic. Okay, monthly web traffic, okay, to the website or the platform. Okay, Shopee in Indonesia, this is Indonesia, is 1.22 billion, here. Okay, 1.22 billion, okay, in total. Okay, but you can see, all right, Lazada even lose to Tokopedia, okay, on the competitor side here. Okay, so this is in Indonesia. Okay, and then this is in Thailand. You can see Thailand. This is Shopee, this is Lazada. What a huge margin here. Okay, Shopee won by a wide margin. This is Vietnam. You can see again, Shopee is here, Lazada is here. This is Singapore. This is again Shopee. And where is Lazada? Here. Even lose to Amazon Singapore. All right. And then this is Malaysia. Malaysia, you can see. Okay, Lazada is here. Sorry, Shopee is here. Lazada is here. It's a very huge margin. So if you tell me that they are losing market share to other competitors or that Lazada can now start fighting with Shopee, I don't believe that because we got so many data to substantiate our research. Okay, and that's where our conviction, our confidence come in. That's when we know, okay, that Shopee right now the business is getting better, and that's when we see it as a opportunity. Okay, even in Google Trends, I double check. You can see here the trend here. Shopee search term is way higher than Lazada. So it means to tell us that a lot of people right now like and prefer to shop in Shopee. All right. Yeah. So guys, and that is how we see opportunity when others see risk in a stock. And that's what a lot of our members, profit lah. Okay. And then they got a lot of the results that you saw just now. Okay. So guys, okay, again, okay, if you like this kind of sharing, right? Okay, I think I never shared this with you guys. BIA has a Telegram group. All right. So if you decided, to get more updates, and get notifications, okay, feel free to scan the QR code, okay, or even click the link, okay, in the description down below and join our Telegram group. Yeah, because I will definitely post, if there's any new YouTube videos here, so you don't miss out because it's in your Telegram. And sometimes, okay, I will post my own personal opinions, whether it's about the market, whether it's about strategy, or even about a certain stock. Okay, I'll be posting that also, so you get more engagement there. And sometimes, okay, we do have live Zoom sessions also. Like the one I showed you just now, we already have a public Zoom session to share on C Limited at the time. So sometimes we have a live Zoom session. We will definitely post the Zoom link over there and you can just join for free. So remember, okay, to scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Okay, now, so let's move on to the earnings call for this quarter. Okay, quarter 3, 2024. So why I put purposely here is because you will only appreciate what is being said in this quarter when you understand what was being done last year. So this is my flow, okay, for this video. So now you can see there's currently not much competition already from Lazada, TikTok, or even Temu. It's because of the work, okay, that C Limited's management has done for 1 year ago. Now, okay, they get to reap the benefit already. So now the CEO said, I think on the competitive landscape, we do see a stable competitive already. It's now stable. It's not as fierce as last time already. Okay, so look at quarter 4, all right, we do see at quarter 4 doing very well despite the competitive environment. Then majority of our sellers are selling local products. So the impact from this cross-border competitor, which I think is either TikTok or Temu, okay, is probability very small to them. Right? So it doesn't really much impact. Okay. Then now they can say Shopee now has the pricing advantage. So they know, okay, there are certain players coming to this market through a cross-border business model. All right. But okay, they can say that it's not really much affecting them. If you look at the cross-border products that those players are offering, and if you compare the price, okay, of the products in Shopee, they still see a relatively good pricing. Okay, there's not much price difference. And this has become a competitive edge in Shopee already. If you guys, okay, the price is the same, guys, I want to ask you, you prefer order overseas, wait a longer time, uncertain, or you prefer to order local and get it very fast within 2 or 3 days only? You of course will prefer local, right? Exactly. Yeah. So this is the thing this is the thing that they already invested since last year. So we don't see it will impact buyers' preference, okay, on how they purchase our platform too much. That's why not. Okay. Now, so again, this is the one I want to show to you guys. Investment in logistics last year has now bearing fruit already. Okay. It's always very important. Okay. Price, okay, competitiveness continue to be a key value proposition that we bring to Shopee users. Okay. Yeah. So this is the one that I already shared with you guys. Okay. On why investment in logistics is so important. Yeah. And again, okay, because of this, they are able to fight with other competitors because it's cheap. A lot of people like to use, and the buyers are very happy with the cost savings they pass on to them. Okay. They always delight the customers first, make sure they stay with them, and that's when you get market share. And then when the competition is stabilized ready, that's when you start to move on towards, profitability. All right. Okay. And guys, if you again like this content update here like that, continue to subscribe to our YouTube lah. And of course, another reason to subscribe is because my next video, I'll be talking about Alibaba's quarter 2 2025 earnings and our most awaited one, which is CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike just released their earnings also, on their quarter 3 2025 earnings also. So I'll be posting these two videos very, very soon. So continue to subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss it. Now let's go towards the stock lessons. All right. So you see, first thing first, all right, if you want to invest, don't be a news headline investor. Never invest on a stock reading news headlines and then make a decision based on that. You can see already the news headline is not accurate one. So don't let the stock price fool you also. If you always just be a news headline investor and then you will be affected by the stock price, right? I'm sorry to say, you will make the same stupid decision as everyone else. You see price, you see risk, you sell, you lost money. Whereas people like us, BIA and our members, we saw opportunity. We know what's really happening. We see what the market didn't see. And we know sooner or later the market will realize that they made a mistake and the price will go up. And this is what happened today. A lot of members reap 100% return or even 100% return from SE. Yeah. So that's why if you see this kind of topic like the one I say, Shopee e-commerce giant Shopee cut job, everything, lay off. It seems that the business is very, very bad. Laid off a number of employees, trim its global payroll, and then people say they manipulate the finances and stuff to make it profitable. This kind of thing. Then not only that, Bloomberg again, this is the one I want to show you, which is very wrong. There's no unexpected loss. The management purposely what they knew, and not because of competition. No, it's just they want to increase their customer experience, and pass on the savings to the consumer. That's all. In order to get market share. That is the real strategy. And then another lesson for you guys: read from primary sources. Read the quarterly earnings report like how we did. Then earnings call transcript, what the management said. This is where you dig out information that the market do not know. And then if the management has an interview, go and watch it also. This is where you get information. So that's why, guys, whenever you find a stock that drops, right, do find signs of future growth in a company. Go and read, go and find, can they continue to grow? Then go and understand the management's strategy. Why they do that? When you say revenue, like for example, Shopee just now, right? Revenue slowed down, then suddenly make losses. Don't simply assume it's because bad business. Go and read. Management will tell you the strategy one. Then if you see that there's future growth, and the strategy makes sense, and there's a really clear sign that there will be recovery, then it's okay to buy and hold as long as the company is executing and growing. Because let me tell you, sooner or later, the stock price will match the company fundamentals in the future. All right. So like I said, in the 5th of December 2023, at that time, I posted because I want to show you we really did a session. We really did cover this stock that time. And that's why today, all right, 195% return, because we see already the business getting better and better. That's why the price continue to go up consistently. Right. So remember, we do buy undervalued stocks. Yes, it's true. But only if the fundamentals are intact and there are strong signs of business recovery. Please remember that. All right. So and that's why I said C Limited is a very sweet victory for the BIA team. Because you see, when they release the quarter 3 2024 results, they really crush it. They grow 30% growth, go back. Because you see, last year, a lot of the medias, your other YouTubers also, they say SE cannot grow their revenue. They say SE can manipulate their financials. They purposely make their numbers profitable to show profitable. In fact, they are not. And then SE has no competitive advantage. They even say if you want e-commerce, Baba is actually the better e-commerce stock. But then we differ. We say SE was an opportunity. On 5th December 2023. Then I let the stock prices speak for themselves, which is this . If you hold SE for 1 year, it's 150% return. If you hold Baba, you only get 13%. But if you hold SE for 5 years, it's a 217% return. But the story will be different for Alibaba. If you hold for 5 years, you have a negative 50% return. So again, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this session here. It's a bit different. Some updates on stocks and also, a bit of a stock lessons, okay, to upgrade yourself as an investor. Yeah. So again, if you like this kind of content, do remember to subscribe, and also, okay, do remember, okay, to join our Telegram, because we'll always post, okay, my own personal opinions on the stock market, and we're also doing a live Zoom session also for you guys. Okay, if anything session that we want, we'll post the Zoom link there. You all can just click and join, and of course, it's free lah. Okay, so again, guys, thank you very much, and look forward to see you guys in our Alibaba and CrowdStrike videos in the future. Okay, thank you very much for watching.